Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Now, look at this video clip and look at it closely. Take a look at my eyes. Take a look at my parentheses. Just take a look at my cheekbones. Now, what I want you to do for me today before we start the video is to tell me if this clip is current, and if it is not current, how old do you think it is? Also, I want you to guess how old I am or how old I was in that clipping. Now, while you are guessing, what I'm going to share with you today is what I use on my skin to look years younger. So if you're looking a little older than your age, or if you're just looking to stay younger looking, follow me to the kitchen and let me show you my beauty secret for younger looking skin. Now let's take a look at the main ingredient, which is banana, and you need a very ripe banana. First thing you're going to do, you are going to cut both ends of the banana, and then I'm going to cut my banana in two halves, since I'm only going to be using a half of the banana. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to peel my banana. We're chopping the banana in small pieces for easier blending. Let's chop. Crush our banana. Let's crush the banana. Now here we have some ground coffee, and what we're going to do, we are going to brew the ground coffee. A tablespoon of the ground coffee, about a quarter cup of hot water, pour it on the coffee. We're going to set this aside for a couple of minutes to brew, and then once it is brewed, we're going to use a teaspoon of the brewed coffee on the mashed banana. We're going to continue to mash it in the banana. Next, we're going to cut our lemon, and we're going to use half of the lemon, and we're just going to squeeze the lemon in the banana and coffee. Just squeeze the lemon in. Take the seeds out. Then we're going to continue to mash this. And next, what you're going to do with this, you're going to take a little bit of honey, and you're going to squeeze a teaspoon of the honey. You're going to continue to mash this in the banana. coffee and lemon juice. And lemon juice. Now this is ready to use on your face. So just apply this to your face. Apply it to your face. Rub it on your face like I'm showing here. And leave it on your face. Be generous and leave it on your face for about 30 minutes. And then you're going to rinse off with some cold water. Use this 2 to 3 times per week for best result. You can store the leftover in your refrigerator for about 7 days. Once you use on a regular, you're on your way to wrinkle-free skin, tighter skin, firmer skin. Okay? Now we use the banana in this because the banana is very moisturizing. It's going to help to soften the skin. The coffee in this is going to help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It's also going to help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. The lemon is going to get rid of the dullness from the skin, remove the dead skin cells, and the honey is going to moisturize and hydrate the skin and have your skin just looking clean, clear, younger, and supple looking. Okay? Such an awesome recipe for a younger looking skin, guys. A perfect anti-aging recipe. You can choose to add green tea to this, or you can also choose to add yogurt. Now guys, let's answer the question you're all been waiting for. Is the video clipping current, and how old am I in that video? To begin, I'm going to answer the last question first, and in that video I am 50 years old, and that video clipping is actually current. I took that clipping about a week ago. So there you have it, how to be 50 and look years younger. You could be 60 and look 30 or 40 once you take care of your skin. You try some of these amazing recipes that I have on my channel page. Use it on a regular. Drink plenty of water, work out, put yourself in a happy place, and you're on your way to be 50 looking 30 to 40 years old. Okay guys, so thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you want to see more of these amazing recipes to stay younger looking. So just look below, you're gonna see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, if you want to get a notification as soon as I post a video, click on the little bell at the side and turn on notification on your phone. See you in my next video. Bye bye.